All right.
Director niwe ko. Yeah? No director. What's the director? No director.
Thank you very much. My name is Karanja Muchai. An investor.
You are important as I am. I am important as I am.
Together with me, a number of investors who have invested a photo, and we are coming to formally launch or to hand over a memorandum which I will read to the President Director, then officially hand over for the interested party here. So, alright.
Raja. Mosquito.
As I read this record, we are doing this as part of but you have a few concerns that you wish to bring to your attention. And this memorandum is not by myself, but by the investors whose membership and copies of IDs have been attached to this. And we still request for and receive
Sukuma watu nyuma. If you're not a journalist,
VA Photo investors. And to clarify, VA Photo investors are not partners or are not part of VA Photo Forex. They are people who have invested through the VA Photo Forex, Memorandum dated the 6th of August, year 2014. The attached group of investors who have invested with VA Photo Incorporated have the following grievances against the company. That the company has for the last 2 months not made any payment to investors, which is against the agreement signed between the company and the investors. No official communication from the company on why the payments have been delayed for this long and or when payments will resume. The company has continued to collect funds from the public and claims to trade on their behalf, but has been giving no returns. Investors have been harassed and intimidated by the company's employees wherever they seek explanation for the delayed payments. The company continues to use the president's son photograph in the front office to woo investors innocently. The company has continued to use law enforcers and other security organs to harass and intimidate investors. Investors have been receiving rude reception at the customer care desk and have threatened to do whatever they want or go where they can by the company's staff. Investors hereby are making these submissions. The VA Photo International to make immediate payments to all due contracts without further delay. The company to pay the investors all their money invested together with accrued interest or invested amount in full. The VA Photo Incorporated to take full responsibility for breach of contract. Intervention from relevant administrative and political leaders to resolve to this issue. In addition, and for the security of these people, we are requesting the Inspector General of Police and the Immigration Department to hold any passport of the directors, the CEO, or any staff if the people will not be paid their rightful dues. Chairman.
Member investors, I'm the chairman of the Porto Investors Forum. Now, my able secretary has laid out the memorandum. I would like to add some few issues regarding the VI Portal. A time has come that we said we've become impatient. We are dissatisfied. We are tired with the VI Portal empty promises. Now, we are demanding that in 7 days' time, all investors must be paid all their due payment. We do not want any further explanation from the VI Portal because we are not happy. Kenyans have lost over 2 billion Kenya shillings through this company. They have ruined the economy of this country. They have ruined the economy of Limuru, and we are saying enough is enough. We are requesting the political leaders of this country, including our governor, Honorable William Kabogo, to intervene and do something about this company. We cannot allow Kenyans to continue losing their money to quack companies which have no interest in this country. Now, we are also saying we are very happy that the Law Society of Kenya has drawn a spanner to this saga. Yesterday, the Law Society of Kenya, through the Eric Mutua chairmanship, has written to the Inspector General, David Kimayo, to carry an investigation to this company. We are advising Kimayo to start investigation as soon as yesterday. We are directing Kimayo and his web office to withhold the passport of the CEO of this company, Alfred Wangai Mundia, his wife, Mercy Wangai, his brother, Clement Wangai Mundia, his other brother, Collins Mundia, and his sister, Karen Mundia. Those are people who have been conning people around, and we are aware, and we are not going to allow that. That is a business which should not exist in the 21st century. We are saying we are not going to relent on this. We have issued a 7 days notice. Come next week on Wednesday, we are coming back. And we shall have 3 demands. Our first demand will be money. Our second demand will be money. And our third demand will be money. Nothing else. We've provided accounts. We've provided accounts into our contract. We do not want to be told to provide other accounts. We are requesting the management of Family Bank, the management of Barclays Bank, to tell us where is our money, because that is where we used to deposit our money. We are aware that Alfred Wangai has been transacting this account. He has been deploying money at a branch known in this country, and we are aware of that. We have said Wangai cannot let millions of Kenyans to go suffering. We are about 13,000 investors. One of our investors is admitted at Nasser Hospital after he invested all his pension in this company. He suffered from high blood pressure, and from here we are going to visit him. We are actually calling the members of the 4th estate come in come in and visit that man. Finally, and I'm requesting the Inspector General of this country to confiscate the passport of these managing directors by the end of the day, because they are planning to fly out of the country. Thank you.
Can I officially hand over this memorandum, members?
Yes.
A show of hand, please, as we present this notice.
Present it.
And we are demanding a stamped copy from the
VIP.
Mngojea tukuje nayo hapa chini, si ndio? Kuweke amani.
Haya. Sawa.